Hey guys, it's Dr. Ben here. I wanted to follow up a little bit after recently we had the open enrollment with Junior Davis healthcare benefits, and there's just a couple of things I want to talk briefly about that. Number one, super encouraged by how many of you opted in for the wellness component, and there's really three areas of that. One of them involved getting a wellness exam or consultation. You can do that at Achieve Wellness. You can do that with a different healthcare provider. At the Achieve Wellness Clinic, we do that. It's just included as one of the company benefits. One of the other things is, attending the workshops and things that we'll be doing at Junior Davis throughout the year. So there's really nothing for you to worry about there. But with the clinic, some people still, I just want to make sure, even if you're on Junior Davis health benefits or not, as an employee of the company, you have access to the clinic and your family. And so all you need to do is email the clinic, or you can send a text to the office, or you can call the office. Any of those are options. Just want you guys to know that you're welcome and that your families are welcome. And again, our main purpose is to help you prevent health challenges. And then if you're looking for natural options to getting to the cause of the problems, that's also another area of our focus. So we've seen hundreds of you. We love it. We look forward to seeing many more of you and your families as well. So please make sure and give the clinic a call or an email. The other thing that I wanted to talk about today was specific about sprain and strain injuries that happen on the job site. A lot of us, obviously, very physical jobs, and you're out in the elements. And one of the most common things that we see in this industry, and even at Junior Davis, is sprain and strain types of injuries. And so I want to give you just a quick little understanding on things you can do to prevent that. Now, probably the most important thing that you can do to prevent sprain and strains, this is going to sound so simple, but believe it or not, it's hydration. All right, one of the things that happens to our muscles, to our ligaments, to our discs in our spine is as if we're dehydrated, we're more prone to injury. So literally, you could be going and doing the same activity and you are hydrated and you won't sprain your back or sprain your elbow or sprain your knee. And so as we move into the heat of the summer coming up, it's just so important. I know your foreman and your supers will give you good advice about how to stay well hydrated. Now, in addition to that, it is important that we get our body moving. All right, now this isn't necessarily a formal stretch and flex program, but I just want to give you some tips or ideas. The most common injuries that we see that happen are in the neck and the low back. Okay, so from the neck, we want to have this nice curve in our neck. This is your spine. You want to have this curve. So just in the mornings, just general stretching up and down is a really good way just to get those discs and those muscles warmed up. Then also turning your head from side to side, all right, is another good stretch for you to do. And again, not pushing it extra, not twisting it or popping your neck, just through general range of motion. And then taking your ear and bringing it from side to side. Doing just a few of those in the car as you're coming to the office or once you get to the job site are just really good ideas. The other ones that happen is the low back. Okay, so again, our low back is designed to primarily move forward and move back. Again, we want to have that nice curve in the low back. So for you, just gently stretching, again, not trying to pop your back or anything like that, just nice general range of motion. And then the same thing from side to side, rotation, and then running your hands down either leg, all right? Just to get the discs in your spine and the muscles and the nerves and the ligaments all blood flow going there, getting them moving, getting them warmed up for your days. Now, the other most common injury that happens is probably shoulders, elbows, and knees. Okay, so one of the things for you, again, is just kind of pulling the arms across. Some of you have even done this. This is kind of a stretch you think about, bringing the shoulders behind. This is just kind of common stuff, but just gets the blood flow there before you get on, some big piece of equipment and try to lift it. That can sometimes strain that, okay? Same thing with the knees, okay? Just pointing the toe up and down, stretching the leg, nice and easy, bracing yourself along something to hold yourself so you don't tip over. It's really just common sense, you guys, but you can get a pretty good basic morning stretch in 3 to 5 minutes for the most part. So again, remember, staying hydrated, okay, is really important. Getting enough rest. I know it's not always easy. I know you guys are working super hard, but those two things, and again, even the clinic at Achieve Wellness, we help you with muscles and posture and make sure your joints are moving so you're not predisposed to injury. So keep those things in mind. If you have any questions or concerns, certainly email us, let us know, and we'll get you any information we can. Hope to see you guys soon. Have a great, safe day at the job site, and take care.